AEON stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And observing AEON biopharma stock, it delivered for my previous prediction that I made. 24% down is where we're at. So this video was made like a week ago, 6 days ago or something like that.
Movement, and then keeps going down, and that's about it. You know, like
the time was sitting at 22 cents, now it's 14. You get the point. Like, no trades got taken. Is like just seeing this happen thousands of times, you're going to start to see patterns. And with this range, it's still a bearish bias. Now we can actually start to get involved with proper rules. So if the rules are met and whatnot here, taking those out, but I don't even think it's going to be that volatile to give me the rules, but we are going to see. That's happened before, so there is possibilities. So as long as it's sitting beneath 26 cents, it's still a bearish range. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.